computer class. We just finished our first chapter. Today we are going to discuss the exercises in our chapter. Before that, we just go through our first chapter. In this chapter, we are studying about the computer system. The computer system is a combination of hardware and software. What is hardware? The hardwares are the physical components of the computer that we can touch. And it is divided into two. What are they? Yes, the main hardware parts and the peripheral devices. The main hardware parts is fixed on the motherboard of computer, whereas the peripheral devices are attached to the CPU to increase its functional power. And we discussed about some peripheral devices. What are the peripheral devices we discussed? Yes, projection keyboard, LCD monitor, plotter, smart card, etc. Then we go to the computer software. The computer software is a set of program that process the data according to the user instruction. The computer software is also divided into three. Did you remember it? What are the three parts of computer software? Yes, that are system software, application software and development software. What is system software? System software are software that used to control the internal working of a computer system. And it also divided into three. And they are operating system, utility software and device drivers. The operating system is an interface between user and the computer, and it controls all the working of a computer system. And we discussed two types of operating system, and they are GUI and CUI. Graphical user interface and character user interface. Then we discuss about the utility software. The utility software is a small program that is used to manage system resources. Then we discussed about the device drivers. The device drivers manages the device that is attached to the computer, like printer. Then we discuss about the application software. It is a type of computer software and it allows the user to meet specific tasks. And the application software is divided into two, and they are general purpose application software and custom made application software. Then we discuss the another category in computer software, that is development software. This kind of software helps the programmer to develop other software. And we discuss the most of the development software in the form of a IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. And we discuss some components of IDE, and they are programming languages, assembler, linker, interpreter, compiler, debugger and text editor. So dear students, this is all about our first chapter. And now we are going to discuss the exercises in our textbook. Dear students, let us continue our first chapter, Computer, Hardware and Software. Dear students, today we are discussing the exercises in our textbook. The first one is fill in the blanks. In that, first question is, a software runs dash system effectively to do some useful task. What is the answer? A software runs? Yes, computer system effectively to do some useful task. The second question is, the physical part of the computer is called the dash. What is the name of physical part of the computer? Yes, it is hardware. The physical part of the computer is called the hardware. Then the third question, dash is an interface between the user and the computer. Which part of the computer acts like an interface between user and the computer? Yes, that is operating system. Operating system is an interface between the user and the computer. Then, next one, dash converts the program written in high-level language into machine language in one go. Which translator helped the program to convert high level to machine language in one go? Yes, that is by compiler. Compiler converts the program written in high level language into machine language in one go. The next question is, MS Word is a dash software. Which type of software? Yes, it is a application software. MS Word is a application software. Then the next one is write true or false. The first one, mouse is an application software. True or false? It is false. Mouse is a input device. Then second one, software is the physical component of the computer. Is it true or false? It is false. Why? Hardware is the physical component of the computer. Then third one, an operating system manages all the hardware devices of the computer. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Then next one, MS Windows is a GUI operating system. We already studied two type of operating system, GUI and CUI. MS Word is which type of operating system? Yes, it is a GUI based operating system. So it is true. Then device driver is a system software to control a device attached to the computer. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Device drivers are a small program that is used to control the device that is attached to the computer. Now we moving to another section of exercise, and that is answer the following questions. The first question is, what is the difference between the main and the peripheral devices? What is it? The answer is, the main hardware parts are the components that are fixed on computer's motherboard for processing inside the computer, whereas peripheral devices are the devices that are attached to the computer's main parts to expand its functional power. Okay, now second question is, what do you mean by software? Describe its various categories. What is software? The answer is, the software is a set of programs executed on computer to perform some useful task. And we studied various categories of software, and they are system software. It includes the program that control and coordinate the internal working of a computer. Then application software, it allows a user to perform specific task. Then development software, it helps the programmer to develop other software. The next question is, explain disk defragmenter utility. The answer is, the disk defragmenter utility combines the fragmented pieces together and hence improves the processing speed of the computer. The next question is, what is an operating system? Explain its function. Answer is, an operating system is the interface between the user and the computer. And the main functions of operating system is, it is a communication link between the user and the computer. And the operating system manages all the hardware devices of the computer. And it loads the other software programs in computer's memory. And it provides a platform to other software. The next question is, what is the difference between CUI and GUI operating system? CUI stands for Character User Interface and GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. What is the main difference between CUI and GUI? Yes, in CUI, user has to give the commands to get the operation done, whereas in GUI, commands are given in the form of icons. The next question is, how compiler and interpreter are different from each other? The answer is, a compiler converts the high-level language program to machine language in one go. An interpreter converts the high-level program into machine language in instruction by instruction. So dear students, we just complete all the exercise in our textbooks. And you have a class test on next Thursday based on the first chapter. So please study well. And one more thing, please write question answers in your notebook. Okay dear students, please do all the exercises in your textbook and please write only question answers in your notebook and share to me personal. And one more thing, please study well and there will be a class test based on this chapter on next Thursday. So dear students, please study well. Thank you. Have a nice day.